Let's see how you can stop showing you are online on Instagram. Are you tired of the constant notifications and messages? In this video, we'll show you how you can go incognito on Instagram, allowing you to use the app and scroll without other people seeing that you are online. And before we start with the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. The first step is to open the Instagram application on your device and then tap on the little profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Once you get to your Instagram profile, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and you'll see this menu. Tap on the settings and privacy at the top and that's gonna open our Instagram settings. You'll see this search bar at the top of your screen, so tap on it and then search for activity. We'll have a couple of different search results, but the one you want to select is this show activity status and you'll see these 2 options. So if you want to go offline on Instagram, simply disable this first option and that's it. You'll now be offline in Instagram. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.